So my water fountain is going to change. I originally designed it for the water to fall off between this big opening, but the pump just wasn't very strong, and so I got a stronger pump, but it still just wasn't enough. The water would just kind of trickle off this rock and down into the bottom reservoir. So I thought it might be cool to build a small body of water up in the upper portion and then have it fall into a larger body down below. Thinking I'm gonna dig out all the way around where all this rock is. So I gotta dig out all these plants, move them, eventually get them set back, start to take it all apart before I can build it all back up. That part's probably not gonna be fun, but I'm planning on having fun anyway. There's our original hole. It's everything I've taken out. It was back when we dug it.